In the last 9 years, we've had 3 vacuums that have all failed to do the exact same thing, which is have enough suction to pull pet hair out of the carpet. Cordless or corded, it didn't make a difference. The house still felt dirty because I could still see pet hair in the carpet. You know those carpet rakes that you like rake the pet hair out of the carpet? I would have to do that all throughout the house before vacuuming to actually feel like the carpet was getting clean. I saw a TikTok video of a girl talking about a Miele vacuum and how she was going to have this vacuum for a lifetime. So after seeing the video, I immediately started to searching for a Miele vacuum and do my research to see if maybe this is something that could actually pull hair out of the carpet. But they had so many options that I was unsure of exactly what would be best for the type of flooring that we had. Also really wanted to touch it with my eyes, if you know what I'm saying. I looked up a local vacuum store that sells the Miele brand. Yes, they exist. I was talking to the sales guy and I shared our concerns of our past vacuum and what type of flooring that we had. And he told me that the Miele vacuum that I was looking for was actually the correct one for the type of flooring that we had and would probably solve all of my problems. And then he asked if I had looked into the SEBO vacuum, and I obviously told him no because I had no idea what that was. And I needed to know more about what this vacuum was. He said in terms of operation, the Miele and the SEBO work very similar. I was going to have the same success with the Miele as I would the SEBO. However, the difference is that the SEBO has a better warranty on it and the parts are cheaper, as well as so is labor. So if something were to happen to my Miele, it would be more expensive than if something happened to my SEBO to fix. I told the guy thank you for his time, and I just needed to go home and research some videos for myself so I can compare and contrast of what other people were saying. But unfortunately, there were no videos to be found of actual consumers. It was just like all other vacuum retailer guys talking about each vacuum. However, in the research that I did do, I discovered that there is a pink SEBO vacuum, and honestly that really sold me on it. I didn't need to know anything else. I wanted to have a pink vacuum and my life would be so happy. It's the most beautiful pink your dreams could ever dream of. And so I knew that that was the vacuum that I needed at that moment. Let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly of this vacuum. First of all, not only does this vacuum suck the sin out of the carpet, but it also comes with 2 attachments, and then I purchased some additional attachments. Let me show them to you. Okay, so if you count the brush heads, it actually comes with more attachments because it comes with the carpet brush, and then it also comes with this one that is like for the tile. This brush is like got microfiber on it, and it's good for dusting. It actually sits on the vacuum itself, so it has a little home for it, but my son always takes it off, so here it is for you. I have yet to really use this, but I like the shape of it. I also could say that this is like a duster tool, maybe for your baseboards. The extra one that I purchased, this is the upholstery brush. I wanted it specifically for the carpet, but it doesn't work as well on the carpet as it does like just on your couch. So it's not going to replace vacuuming it with the real, like the actual vacuum carpet head, unfortunately. But I do still think it is worth getting because vacuuming your couch is so much easier now. The bundle that I purchased that had the upholstery tool in it had this really long crevice tool, which is also nice, but it does get clogged really easily. For whatever reason, stuff gets clogged on the tip, so if you like suck up too big of a piece, it will clog it. And then the vacuum itself came with one of these, but in a smaller version, and that goes inside the vacuum as well. This attachment can be put on here, as well as the like shorter one, and you can, use that. That is actually how it attaches. It doesn't actually attach to the hose part. And then the bundle that has this piece and the upholstery piece came with a really, really long hose extension, which is nice, but I don't use it very often unless I'm like getting up on the ledges that are up over here. I don't have any ugly parts, but the bad part is that when you are wheeling it around, sometimes it can get stuck on like the corner of furniture, specifically our couch, and also it doesn't roll as well on carpet as it does like on the hardwood floor, but the wheels are pretty nice. It just kind of gets a little bit irritating to pull around. The main thing that I wanted it to do was pull pet hair out of the carpet, and it has absolutely no problem doing that. And for that reason, this vacuum is 100% worth it, even though it does have a little bit of an irritating feature, which is rolling around. If you are searching for a vacuum, I highly recommend going to your local vacuum dealer because they are going to be able to tell you what the best vacuum is for your budget and type of flooring. And they literally know everything about vacuums. You'll also get the best warranty out of whatever vacuum that you get through a dealer. So highly recommend going there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I have to go be a mommy right now. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.